Hi friends, welcome to Best Max Solver channel. Here the question is tan 40 plus tan 80 minus root 3 tan 40 tan 80. The options are root 3, 1 by root 3, minus root 3, minus 1 by root 3. Take using the trigonometry identity tan a plus tan b. Tan a plus b equals to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a minus tan b. Tan b, here a as 40, b as 80. Substitute this both in this formula. Tan 40 plus 80 equals to tan 40 plus tan 80 by 1 minus tan 40 minus tan 80. Tan 40 plus 80 gives tan 180 equals to tan 40 plus tan 80 by 1 minus tan 40 minus tan 80. Here tan 120 can written as 90 minus 30 equals to, in second quadrant the tan will be negative, so the tan will be written as minus cot 30. The cot value is root 3 minus root 3, sorry. Here in tan 120 place take root 3 minus root 3 minus root 3 tan 40 plus tan 80 by 1 minus tan 40 minus tan 80. Multiply with denominator. Minus root 3 minus plus root 3 minus tan 40 tan 80 equals to tan 40 plus 80. Here in this value, in this place, tan 40 plus tan 80 minus root 3, tan 40 plus tan 80 equals to, here this minus 3. Hence proved, hence solved. Thank you for watching this video.